Hi boys and girls, and welcome to our review of picture graphs. Last week you worked on bar graphs, and this week you're going to practice picture graphs. So what's going to happen is I am going to give you some data, again just like I did last week, and this week's data is favorite ice cream flavors. And those were voted on by the teachers at our school, and you're going to use that data to help you make your picture graph. So today I'm going to give you an example and show you how we make a picture graph. So the first thing that I need is data. I took a survey and I asked my friends what their favorite color is. And this is their answers. So when I go to make a picture graph, I need to first title my graph. My title is favorite colors. You always want to have a title on your graph so that anyone who looks at it knows exactly what your graph means. Now, on my paper, when I took my survey, I used different colors here, and I just wanted to make it a little bit fun. You can also use different colors for a picture graph, or you can use one color. It is completely up to you. So when I come to set up my picture graph, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use those colors. Purple. Green. Blue, pink, and yellow. All right, so I have my colors here. One more important thing that I need to do is make sure that my data stays separated between them. And I'm going to show you a couple different ways that we can do that. The first way I can make sure that my data stays separate is I can draw lines in between the different types of data that I have, just like this. Another way is by using colors like I showed you that I'm going to do here. So when I come back and I look at my data sheet, first I'm going to look at purple, and I see that 3 of my friends picked purple as their favorite color. So I am going to make a picture, and I'm just going to use smiley faces. You can choose what your picture is. Just make sure that it's nothing that's too complicated. My next color is green, and I had 2 friends that picked the color green. I had 6 friends pick the color blue. I had 4 friends pick the color pink. And 1 friend pick the color yellow. Now, boys and girls, after I've made my picture graph, I could ask and answer questions about the data that I collected. I could say, in my survey, who or what color was picked the most? The answer would be blue, because 6 people picked blue as their favorite color. I could also ask questions like, what color was picked the least in my survey? That would be yellow. Only 1 person picked yellow. Now, boys and girls, if you went and asked all of your friends what their favorite colors are, and you wanted to make a chart like mine, you would probably have different answers than I do. You might have red in yours. You might have orange. You might have black in yours. And the amount of people that pick those colors would be very different. That is why it's important that we label our graphs, and we understand that the data that is collected is data that was taken in a survey by different people. All right, no charts should be the exact same if you are doing your own survey and someone else is doing their own survey. But all of your picture graphs are going to look the same this week because I am giving you the data. We're using all the data from the teachers at Madison who picked their favorite ice cream flavors. I cannot wait to see how your picture graphs turn out. Make sure that you take a picture and upload them to your Dojo portfolio. And as always, ask me any questions if you have them. See you soon.